Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G. Bajaj. Today we will be doing chapter 1 number system of grade 9. Today we will be doing chapter 1 number system exercise 1.4. First question is visualize 3.765 on number line using successive magnification. Now magnification you all know, that means zoom out. So here we are going to do zoom out, which you are already doing in your computers. So 3.765 we will be taking one by one. First of all we are going to taking first digit, then second digit, and then third, and then fourth. This way we are going to magnify it. So you all know that 3 comes in between 2 and 4. So first of all we will be drawing a number line here. So it's a number line with some digits written over it. We have to magnify 3, and we know 3 lies between 2 and 4. So this is how we are going to magnify it. You can use any of the symbol. I'm using a lens over here. So this is, we have magnified 3. Next we need 3.7. Now 3.7 lies between 3.6 and 3.8. That means in next number line we must have 3.6 and 3.8. So we will be writing accordingly. We will be taking number line accordingly. So next, when we zoom 3 to 4, we will be getting some of the points which I have written after magnification. So you could start it from 3.1, 3.2. I have taken 2 digits before it and 2 after it. So here we have to magnify 3.7. So this is 3.7 and it lies between these numbers. Now we need 3.76. Now 3.76 lies between 3.75 and 3.77. So you can see whichever the number we are taking one number before it and one number after it. So now as we need 3.76, we have to magnify 3.7 and 3.8. If we will magnify, we will be getting another number system, number line. So now it will be having 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78 and so on. So we can see the required number which is coming under this. After magnifying this, we got 3.76. This is. Further zooming it out, 3.76, as we have to reach up to 3.765, we are going to zoom out 3.6 to 3.77, and we will be getting 3.76 after magnification. So after magnify this, we will be getting the required number. So this is the required number. This is how we have visualized using the successive magnifications. Now the next question is visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So the given number is 4.26 bar and we have to visualize up to 4 decimal places. That means we can write it down. 4.26 bar is on 26, so 26 will be repeated. Just here up to here we have to visualize, and we have to visualize the way we have done in the previous question. First you can see we have taken a number line having some digits written over it. We have to visualize 4. That means we are going to magnify 4, and we all know that 4 lies between 3 and 5. So you can directly do the magnification between this thing, or you can take more numbers. So here 4 lies between these numbers. So this is 4, and further 4.2. Now we need 4.2, and we know that 4.2 lies between 4.2, 4.1 and 4.3. So next number line should contain these values. So 4.2 lies between 4.1 and 3. So next, let's see, you can take as many because we are zooming it out, so obviously this will open this way, right? So here it is the number which we require, 4.2. So next number we need 4.26, and we know 4.25 and 4.27 will be there, and in between 4.26. So let's see the next number line. So here is the another number line, 4.2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means every number is having 4.2, 4.2, after that 3, 4, 5 and so on. 4.26 I need, and it will lie between, and here is the required number. Simply the way we are magnifying, we are zooming it out this way. So next number line is having 4.260, 4.261, 4.262, and so on. So 4.262 is required number, which will lie between these many numbers. So 4.262. I have told you earlier also in the previous question, you can take only one digit prior and one digit after that. There also you can zoom out because this number lies between these two numbers. Rest all we are just magnifying, that is why we are opening it. Next number is 4.2626, that means last number. So let's have a number line on that. So here comes the next number line, having 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627 and so on. So the number required is 4.2626, which comes in between these many numbers, and here is the number which we have to zoom out. So 4.2626 has been magnified using successive magnifications. That's all about exercise 1.4.